we guide you through how to transfer crypto to Ledger Wallet. So first, connect your Ledger device to your computer and open Ledger Live. Unlock your Ledger using your PIN, then select the crypto account you want to receive funds into. Click Receive, choose the correct account, and verify that the address shown in Ledger Live matches the address displayed on your Ledger device. This step is extremely important because sending crypto to the wrong address or network can result in permanent loss. Once the address is verified, copy it or use the QR code if supported. Now, open Exchange or wallet where your crypto is currently stored, select Send or Withdraw, and paste your Ledger receiving address. Choose the correct network, make sure the network matches the asset and the network supported by your Ledger account. Enter the amount you want to transfer, review the address, network, and transaction fee carefully, then confirm the withdrawal. If you're transferring a large amount, consider sending a small test transaction first. Once the transaction is submitted, you can track its status in Ledger Live. After the blockchain confirms the transaction, your crypto balance should appear in your Ledger account. And always double check addresses and networks before confirming any crypto transfer.